Hey, if you're watching this video, then you want to know about bounce back loan eligibility. Are you eligible? Can you get a bounce back loan? Well, watch this video and I will tell you everything you need to know about bounce back loans. My name's James Nicholson, and chances are, if you're watching this video, you're a coach, a consultant, an entrepreneur, a startup, or a business of some sort, right? That's why you want a bounce back loan. Well, I'm going to share with you lots of information on this, but can you do me a quick favor? Before you continue watching this video, hit the like button. Hit the like button, because what this does, it gets YouTube's algorithm whirring away and lets more people know about this video. So please hit the like button and comment below and tell me all about you and your business and where you've been stuck looking for these bounce back loans. And while you're there, you might as well subscribe to the channel because I've got a ton more content just like this. Now, eligibility for a bounce back loan. Are you eligible? Now, the most important question is, were you a business before March 2020? March the 1st, 2020. Were you a business? Unfortunately, if you can't demonstrate that you were a business before March the 1st, 2020, right now, you are not eligible for a bounce back loan. You're not eligible for a bounce back loan. So what my suggestion to you, let's make sure we give you some value still, is go and look at grants. Go and look at business grants that are available. The local councils have a ton of business grants, and you can still get those grants and get funding for your business. There was an initial round of 15,000, 10 to 15,000. There's a round going around right now of between 6,000 to 10,000. Go and look for business grants. So you need to be trading before March 1st, 2020 to be eligible. Now, if you're a limited company and you've already been trading for a number of years, you will find this pretty easy to get a bounce back loan. What you should do is contact your bank who you bank with currently, and in your online banking, you should be eligible to apply for the loan. Now, you can apply for up to 25% of your annual turnover, 25%. So if you did 100 grand last year, you can do 25 grand. If you did 200 grand, you can do 50 grand. 50 grand is the maximum, right? So it's up to £50,000. And they will give you up to 10 years to pay it back. You won't need to make any payments for the first 18 months. And the interest rate is only 2.5%. So it's crazy cheap lending. It's crazy cheap lending. So if you're a limited company, even if you don't feel you need the money, take it. And here's why. You never know what opportunities will come up in your business. You never know if someone's going to pay you late. You never know if you're going to lose your biggest customer. But if you get that funding before it disappears, you've got that money sitting there. And if you don't need it, just give it back. Keep it for a year. If you don't need it, when the payments start, just give it back to them and then you'll pay it down, right? But have it there, because if you don't have it and something difficult comes up, then you're going to be stuffed and you won't have the option to do this, right? Limited companies are very protected on these loans as well. If for any reason your company didn't succeed, then you won't be personally liable for this. Normally when you borrow money from a bank, especially with that sum, maybe up to 50 grand, you would have to put like a trust, like a charge against your home or your property. And so they would go after you for your house if it failed. But these you're not personally liable. So if your business failed, the government would actually pay the loan back for you. And that's why they're doing these, because they want to keep businesses trading. Let's talk about self-employed people. And for both of these topics, I've got a ton of videos on my channel. So do go and check out the other videos I've got. And if you didn't hit the like button at the beginning, do it now, please, because it really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So hit the like. Now, self-employed. Now, if you're self-employed, again, you are eligible to get one of these loans as long as you were trading before March the 1st, 2020. And so you are able to apply for a bounce back loan with any of the high street banks. And on my channel, there's videos on all the big banks like HSBC and Santander and how you can do that with all of them, right? So go and check those. But you can apply with any of these lenders, which is really good. And what that will do is allow you to get a bounce back loan. Now, if you're self-employed, there's a little bit more risk involved in this, but you should still take one if you're good at managing your money, right? So they're not to go and buy Lamborghinis and stuff like that there to keep your business trading and invest in marketing, right? Now, if you're self-employed, how it works, if you can't pay the money back, you would be liable for it still. So you would have to work a debt management agreement out with them. So you can do the same. You can get up to 25% of your turnover. And I would suggest that you take it and keep that money there for a rainy day, right? Because like I said, you never know when you're going to lose your biggest customer. You never know when someone's going to go bust and not pay you. And so if you have the money, you've got that opportunity to use it and save your business and keep your cash flow going. If you don't, and this scheme expires, which it's due to expire in 5 weeks from now, you will not get an opportunity like this ever again in your business. Never again. There's always people that want to get angel investing and go on Dragon's Den and get money. Great. But this is the easiest money you're ever going to get at the lowest interest rate with a huge payment holiday and 10 years to pay it back, guys. And so you should be looking to fund your business and keep it operating. The government wants you to take this money because they want you to keep your business going, because the economy needs small business owners to trade and operate, right? So eligibility, if you didn't have a business before March, you're not eligible. If you did, you're eligible. And you should be checking out the other videos on how to apply for self-employed, how to apply with certain banks. I've got all of those on my channel. So do subscribe to this channel now and hit the bell notification. There's a ton of videos already there. There's a ton more that we're shooting today that will be going out in the next few days. Now, one other thing before you go is, look, bounce back loans are great. They will get you through uncertain and difficult times. However, the most important thing you could be doing right now is learning marketing. And that's what I'm world class at. Now, I've created a methodology called the Business Accelerator methodology. And that helps you take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers. And I want to give you a book, a real physical book. It's my new book called Expert Mastery. And I want to give you a copy of that for free. Now, in the description of this video is a link. If you click on the link in the description, you can go there and fill in your details and grab a book, and we'll ship it out to you within a week. Right? It'll be with you and you can whiz through this. It's a real physical book, and it will share with you all the stuff I've learned, 15 years in business, on learning this internet marketing stuff. So do that now. Click on the link, grab your copy. You do have to pay for the shipping, but the book is free. It's a couple of pounds for the shipping, so I can't say fairer than that, right? So go and grab that now, and do subscribe to the channel. Let me know any questions you've got on bounce back loans. Comment below, guys. I will personally reply to every single comment. Go and check all the content out. I make so many content videos on YouTube, and I give so much value. I really want to help you grow your business, and I hope this is a great introduction, and finally we get you sorted for a bounce back loan. So that's it from me. My name's James Nicholson. Great to meet you. Grab my book, subscribe to my channel, and let's get to know each other soon. Cheers, guys. Bye for now.